you might be wondering, what are the different cybersecurity certifications that we can do, right? There are many, like cybersecurity carriers and certification, which you can Google up and find it out. So cybersecurity carriers and certifications, there are many, but I'll just name the important ones or the basic ones that you can start with. So once you attend in terms of carrier, so you can get different roles and have different responsibility, like you can be a network security or a cyber security analyst, right? So you can get this analyst role. Likewise, you can get ethical hacker role, and responsibilities based on ethical hacker, network security engineer, right? CISO, like cyber security information security officer, or you can become a cyber security operations center called a SOC analyst as well. Okay, there are multiple other designations or role that you can get, but I'm just writing the common ones, right? The certification way, you can think of beginner level. So when you think of certifications, there can be multiple levels. So let's say at a very beginner level, you can go ahead and start pursuing let us say CompTIA Security Plus, CompTIA Security Plus. Okay, if you are at intermediate level, then you can go ahead and go for certified ethical hacker, which is also called with the term as CEH, right? And also you can do Cisco security as well, right? Cisco security, right? You can go for fundamental of network security courses as well, right? Network security fundamental courses as well, right? You can go for fundamental of cloud security courses as well. Good. Likewise, if you are at advanced level, so you can think of doing courses like and certifications like CISSP, CISM, OSCP. So yeah, so this provides a solid foundation for understanding your cybersecurity and growing up in your career, right, as well. So yeah, I hope it is clear so far.